So I swapped my fuel injectors, and then when I had the new ones on, I had no throttle response at all. And then I changed my spark plugs, nothing changed. Then I put my old ones back in. Now I have throttle, but now my car's misfiring, and it sounds like a Subaru. Now I'm gonna check where it's misfiring, why it's misfiring. But we're scanning it. Alright, so we got a lot going on here. Oh, cylinder 2. That's where my misfire's at. I just fixed that, bro. There's no way. There's a lot going on here. Alright, now we gotta take everything back apart. I gotta check my spark plugs and everything. So I gotta take off this thing, which is already just loose. Just pops off. And then you're gonna have to go for these. There's 2 bolts right there. Should be 3, but I only have 2. Then there's a bolt right there. And there's 3 over here, but I only have 2. And then that piece will pop off, and then you have access to the 4 bolts. Alright, so now we're gonna take off this bolt. And this one's a 10. And the next one is a 12 mil. Now you should be able just to pop this whole piece off. You have these, and they are all 10 mils. Now we have it exposed. Before you start this, you want to disconnect your battery. So I got a misfire on cylinder 2. So that's where we're gonna start. Looks pretty dirty, but nothing crazy, I don't think. Now we should try my spark plug. Yo. Here it is. Alright, so we're gonna swap in one of my old spark plugs and see what happens. So now it's tight. People say to go like once it's tight, to go to quarter turn. So, I'm just gonna, right there. Should be good. Now we're gonna put the coil pack back in. Yo, this is the 12, where's the 10? Start, I just changed the spark plugs, or changed one of them. So that whole misfire situation turned out to be my injector on cylinder 2. So I ran to the junkyard, swapped in another injector, and my misfire was fixed. But I still need to get new fuel injectors because I think that is why my car is running lean, but I'm not sure. Here's a little clip of my car after I did all of that. I didn't film everything because I ran out of storage, but I'm working on it. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in another video. Stay safe.